Welcome back to my channel, my friends. Thank you so much for tuning in for a bonus walkthrough here at Dollar Tree. So let's jump right to it and get started. And the first thing I'm noticing are these really cute little beads. These are giving me Hobby Lobby vibes for sure. How nice. All right, let's jump right into the walkthrough. Oh my god, look at these solar lights. They're in the shape of a little ball. How cute. That is so funny. I've never seen these before. Oh my god, if you have pets, you should totally get those. These are so adorable. Again, look at that. And look at these. These are also new. I feel like they have like almost all the rainbow colors. Look at that. That is so cool. And I think these are solar lights. And then these are also new. Haven't seen these before. Yeah, there's a lot of new stuff. Okay, this is all the colors they carry. Oh my god, look at all of these. And these cute little lanterns. Yeah, these are adorable. Hope you guys are finding these at your local store. Oh my god, it is truly a wish list item video today. Look, I also found the selfie lights. This is the ones that change different colors. They have the heart, the classic circle, the square, and also the heart shaped. I think this is all four of them that they have. Let me just double check here and see if there's any other ones. And I think these are all, yeah, these are all the same. How exciting. I hope you guys are finding these at your local store. These are such a cute little item. For $1.25, it says 18 colors combination. Oh, it's not like a solid color. It's like a mix of colors. So you can do 18 in total. That is an amazing little find here in the electronics section. So hope you guys are finding these little amazing little treasures here at the Dollar Tree. Look what they restocked. They restocked the toothbrush pods. This is by Guru Nanda. I'm actually going to grab two because I did just grab in my last Dollar Tree video that I posted 2 days ago. I grabbed a couple of toothbrushes for my friends and their family. So I'm going to grab these for them as well. Also, they do have more of the replacement brushes. So if you guys are looking for those, looks like they haven't really been selling out. And let's see if they have, yes, they have more of the kids version as well. There's the blue and purple. Oh, there's an orange one. I didn't know there was an orange one. Okay, so let's see if there's another color just to be safe. So it looks like it's 3 colors total. Oh, that is definitely, well, I don't know why somebody's just standing watching me. That is so weird. Anyway, so there's 3 colors in total, so don't miss out on these. These are such a great deal. So I hope you guys are finding these at your local store. And then look at this one. This one looks pretty cool too. That is adorable. Super cute. All right, let's continue on to see what other goodies we can find today here at Dollar Tree. Oh, and this is too cute. Look at the little thermometer with the little frog for the kiddos. That is adorable. Let's see if there's any other kinds. You never know. No, they're all frogs, but yeah, I'm gonna grab this for my friend and their kiddos. Okay, and it cannot be the only one who it took me a second to figure out what this exactly was. These are Band-Aids. But look, it says hashtag OTOD, outfit of the day, hashtag selfie, hashtag love, hashtag TBD. But I was like, what is this? I thought it was like a thumb drive. No, these are Band-Aids. I was like, what is this doing here in the first aid section? It really just threw me off. Check this out. I know it's such a weird position, but check these out. These are so cute for teachers' gifts. It says fabric packs, teach me awesome, repeat. And they are both the same, and they are made of like a burlap material. They're plain in the back, but they have the design in the front. Teachers plant the seeds for tomorrow. Oh, my bestie's actually a teacher, so those are cute. Super teacher. And let's see. The influence of a good teacher can never be erased. Oh, that is so true. Honestly, you guys, I still have teachers from middle school, elementary school, actually middle school, high school, even in college, that I still remember because they were so amazing. So these are such great little gifts, especially as, you know, you're graduating and such. Just make sure you're throwing a little gift card in there, you know, a little something. But yeah, these are beautiful for only $1.25, and I love this one. the cute little apples. And again, these are all plain in the back, so don't forget to grab these at your local Dollar Tree. All right, and check these out. It says wine a little, laugh a lot. That is hilarious. Some people whine a lot though. And this one says it's okay to whine a little. Oh, these are cute and they're actually made really nice. It says actual wood. No, it's not wood, but it feels like it. It's pretty heavy. It's got some meat to it. It's got some meat on its bones. And then say, what is this? Oh my God, this is so cool for crafting. This is the LED stopper string lights. Make some pretty cool, little nifty gifts. And then they have these, I think it's a little charcuterie boards. Eat, drink, and be married. That one says cheese. And they're all to say the same. Oh, I guess to do like a little paint and craft. Or paint and wine, rather. Yeah, these are the little stencil holder. I mean, the little canvas holders. And these are adorable. Love and wine, better with time. Goes in, fun comes out. Goes in, some people freak out. Let's see. This one says, give me wine and tell me I'm pretty. Oh, that's hilarious. And that one, it says it's too late for coffee or early for wine. And what does this one say? Coffee changes things we can. Wine accepts the things we can't. Oh, that's pretty funny. And look at these. These are beautiful. These are giving me like late summer, early fall vibes. Very high end though. They're giving me high end dupes. I love saying the word dupes. But absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving all these cute little finds. Little weekend Dollar Tree shop with me. So let's continue on and see what other goodies we find today here at this amazing Dollar Tree in South Hayward. Oh, and if you're trying to get Patriotic, check these out. These are brand new. How gorgeous. They have, let's see, how many do you get in a set? You must get at least one of each. Let's find out. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's not bad. That's pretty cute. And then look at these. Gorgeous. Yeah, they have a whole huge display here. It looks like they just put it out too. Very nice. So I hope you guys are finding some of these amazing deals at your local Dollar Tree. Oh, and look, they have the summer vibe cups. I don't know if these are the ones that change colors, but these are actually really nice, like really nice quality for $1.25 or I guess like 50 cents, 75 cents each. No, less than 75, less than 50. I don't know. Less than 75, more than 50. We'll just leave it at that. Life is a beach. Enjoy the waves. Nice. And they have these huge ones. State of summer is a state of mind. Hello, sweet summer. And then look, they have these bring your own summer. Cute. Love these. But I love these though. My favorite one so far. All right, let's check out the books. I haven't checked out the books in a while. The Dividers Game, Jesse Ball, Little Family is Ishmael Beach. Oh, Make Big Plans, Thinking of You, and this one, oh, Brilliant Idea. So that's cute. This is, oh, the Arthur and Pals, Mary Toft, Andy Cohen. Let's see, how much was this one actually? Originally $27, now $1.25. And then look, Elizabeth Warren, Queens of the Resistance, very cool. And that one says The Secret Diary of the Apple White, very nice. All right, let me pick up that book and I'll bring you guys right back. And I don't know what's going on, but they're starting to put out fall stuff. Our fresh pumpkins, 25 cents. And you think I'm joking? Look at this. This is probably leftovers from last year. But look, there's more stuff over here. So it can't be a coincidence. And look, fall harvest apple orchid apples. And there's more. Hold on one sec. And see, there's more. You guys thought I was kidding. Look, I'm like, why is there so much fall stuff out right now? What's going on? I don't know if they're just doing inventory or if they're just like stuff's coming out really early this year, but I don't know. It just seems like it's too early. But anyway, definitely just want to show you everything that I'm seeing here at the Dollar Tree. All right, this is too crazy. Look, I was talking about fall, and now they have these as well. They have the turkeys. I'm like, I must be losing my mind. And then they also have the pumpkins, the candle holder pumpkins. How funny is that? This is literally too funny. I'm like, what's going on, Dollar Tree? But yeah, definitely just want to show you everything that I am seeing at my local store. And I would like to give a huge shout out to Leon. He is a local shopper in the Bay Area, and he told me about these, or he told me where to find these. So I'm so excited. Thank you so much again, Leon. You're amazing. You find some amazing things. You really should start a channel. So anyway, I'm gonna grab one of these because everyone has been looking for these, including my best friend, and they're 50 crayons for $1.25. You guys, this is such a great little treasure. Even if you're not an artist, I think this is definitely something to have just around the house. Again, you get 50 for $1.25. And look at these little Centos, the scented markers for the kiddos. How awesome is that? All right, I'm just so excited. I found my little hidden gem. This is literally like one of the items that I have been hunting for. Definitely a wish list item. So very exciting. Again, thank you, Leon, for letting me know. Oh, these are gorgeous. These are beautiful pencils. These are the mechanical pencils. You get an 8 in here. Look at the print. I love that. And they also have this one too with the little hearts and little patterns. These are so cute. That's actually a really good deal. You get 8 mechanical pens for $1.25. But I love the little prints. These are definitely new here at my Dollar Tree. Oh, look at these. These are little magnetic cork frames. Cute for the office or for your home office. Oh my god, I remember when these came out, people were going crazy for them. Now they have more. Oh look, these are cute. It says you're terrific, great job, awesome, and well done. Oh, these are so adorable. These are cute. Yeah, definitely new. All right, let's see if there's anything else here. No, I think we've seen these. So, all right, let's continue on and see what other amazing finds we can find today here at Dollar Tree. Oh, they have new placemats. I haven't seen these before. Look at these. Time for summer. Love this blue one. I like that they have the nice little solid color in the back, so you can do kind of dual. And then this one matches the dishes that they've put out before. And they also do have this one in gray. So yeah, pretty cool. Nice little new placemats. So, but definitely this one is my favorite. Which one do you guys like? Let me know down in the comment section. I don't remember if I've seen these. This is Happiness Grows Here with the little butterfly. These are beautiful little stemless wine glasses, and they have the tall regular drink glassware as well. Happiness Grows Here with the little blue truck. Very nice. All right, let's see what other goodies they have. Oh, Valentine's Day. Oh, and they still have the pink paste dupes. These are the 7-ounce paste. I know a lot of people are going crazy for these. Wait, oh, I thought it was a larger version. I was like, wait a minute, it just looked bigger from the top. And they still have the little Brillo Basics dish spray. This is dishwashing soap spray. That is pretty cool. And they also do have more of these. I know a lot of people are comparing to the I can't remember the name, but it's like a name brand. So oh my god, I wish I could remember the Method. People are comparing it to the Method brand. So if you guys find these, definitely give them a try and let me know what you think, because I'm curious myself. So all right, let's see what they have over here. I don't see anything good, so let's see if they have the little storage bins, the little, oh my god, I hate these carts. Always get stuck. All right, hold on one sec. Sorry guys. Oh, and look, they've restocked the Cocoa Pebbles instant oatmeal. And then they also have the Fruity Pebbles, as well as the Trix oatmeals. Let's see. What are the goodies they have? Ooh, they have the Captain Crunch berries, the individual little packs. Those are good for on the go. And let's see, sugar-free. So these are the sugar-free. And then they have the sugar-free salted caramel, and this is the vanilla. So those are pretty good. If you have a little coffee bar at home, definitely snatch these up. Let's see, Lucky Charms. Yeah, we've seen those. Oh, these are back. Actually, my bestie bought these, and she really liked them. So it is Liquid Splenda. And look, if you're looking for lactose-free creamer, they have them here. This is my Modern Pantry. This is the hazelnut, and also they have the French vanilla. So pretty good little food deals here at Dollar Tree. And let's see, oh, these, I've been taking these for work because I've been back in the office. They are so delicious. They're really good just for like a quick snack. So I'll definitely recommend those. Oh, Kool-Aid. People be up in my Kool-Aid. Oh my God, I'm so funny. All right, let's continue on and see if there's any more food items I can share with you guys. All right, so they've also brought back the Campbell's Flavor Up. This is the rich garlic and herb. They also have the caramelized onion. So these are pretty good. Little cooking essential. So, all right, if you guys are wondering, I am in South Hayward at the location by Sonic, if you guys want to check it out. Oh my God, look, they have new, this is the Tapatio rice and cheese with veggies. So that's pretty cool. And then they also have this one. It says mac and cheese original. Hope you guys can hear me over the loudspeaker. They also have the mac and cheese, 4 cheese. Actually, I don't think I've seen this one. I think this one's actually new. Oh, and this one's too, the bacon. I'm not really bacon's not my thing, obviously, but yeah, this is pretty cool. I like that they have new food items. So if you guys are finding these for the kiddos or even for yourself. All right, my friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Ciao.